Hi guys, we're now here in Hong Kong.
Idulo ng lahat. Let's go! Oh, ang cute.
Grabe, unleasable guys.
We have 17 hours to explore Hong Kong. Dito naman kami sa Hong Kong ngayon guys after Vietnam and dito tayo magpo-food trip again. So sulitin namin yung 17 hours na meron kami dito sa Hong Kong. So we'll take you guys with us. Let's go!
So before that guys, bumili kami ng octopus card, which is this one. Sa Klook, kuha mo na agad. Tapos may 50 Hong Kong dollars na to kasama. So guys, we're here at Chong Heng Kee for their Michelin awarded pan-fried buns for only $44. For only 44 Hong Kong dollars, 4 pieces. Yummy! Yummy daw guys, oh. Daming sabaw. Daming sabaw. Grabe. Yung sige paggawas ng sabaw. Grabe. Unli sabaw guys. Must try. So guys, we just tried the pan-fried dumpling. Ang sarap guys. Must try here in Hong Kong.
Their pan-fried dumplings, guys, was really, really good. As in, it's super juicy. It's super juicy and meaty inside. 4 pieces na yun, guys. Nakakabusog na siya. So, we're looking for something to drink. So, tara!
Tara, explore Hong Kong.
Yes. Tubig muna. Tubig lang muna.
Guys, nakabili kami ng tubig sa 7-Eleven guys.
Buti na lang may 7-Eleven. Bili muna kami ng tubig.
For $10 guys. Times 7.
Let's go. Let's drink.
Hong Kong pa more! Now guys, we're here in Hong Kong Cultural Center. So guys, nandito na kami ngayon papuntang Avenue of Stars. Avenue of Stars! Mag-handshake kami ni Bruce Lee. Yan guys, oh. Wow!
Guys, we're here at Hong Kong!
Yes! Hong
Wow.
Kong!
Look at that! Look
Wow.
at this skyscraper behind us. Grabe.
Grabe ni Duta dali, oy!
And then the best part, behind us, nag-sunset na siya. And look at the view. It was perfect, guys.
Wow!
And to think that, ano lang kami dito, layover for 17 hours and
Yes.
nandito na kami sa Hong Kong. Like, for real, Lord, thank you! Yay!
Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Avenue of Stars. Wala akong kilala dito guys. Sino ba tong mga taong to? Guys, marami silang mga stars dito na hindi ko kilala. So, skip lang muna tayo. Wow, pa-sunset na dito guys.
You know what guys, ngayon lang talaga kami ni Jay nakakita ng napakaraming skyscrapers na naka-line up sila lahat. And then kitang-kita mo yung ganda ng view, ganda ng Hong Kong, ganda ng sarap ng hangin. Papapaisip ka lang talaga, ang sarap mabuhay. Thank you Lord. Thank you for this wonderful life. Nakita namin yung kamay ni Jet Li dito guys, yung statue of hands ni Mr. Jet Li. Wow, kakamay mo Jay. Kakamay? Kakamay? Ayusin mo yung Tagalog mo girl. Kamay ng idol namin guys. Kamay ni Mr. Jet Li. Andito naman yung kamay ni Mr. Jackie Chan guys. Yung hinahangaan talaga natin na si Mr. Jackie Chan. Idolo ng lahat. Let's go! Oh, kakute ang kamot ni Jackie Chan. So ito yung kamay. Really? Gamay kamot ni Jackie Chan guys. Uy.
Guys, nakita na namin yung kay Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee, Mr. Bruce Lee.
Okay. Sarap lang mag-chill dito, magtambay. Sobrang ganda guys in person. And this is one of must visit spots. And if you're planning to visit Hong Kong guys, make sure to drop here at Avenue of Stars kasi this is one of must visit spots in Hong Kong. And sobrang ganda lang talaga niya in person. Lalo na yung mga skyscrapers, yung water in front of you, and yung breeze ng hangin. Sobrang sarap.
Yes.
Yeah! On to the next!
On to the next. Dim sum guys. Grabe ang mahal dito sa Hong Kong. Na-shock yung wallets namin. Here's our food.
Sanitang po.
Ika na. Sir. Kahit saan, kahit kailan.
Na?
So guys, naputol na yung vlog namin kagabi kasi nalobat na kami. So dito na kami sa airport guys. It's already 6:14 and flight namin is 7:55. Pauwi na kami ng Cebu. Yan yung sasakyan namin. Cathay Pacific. Dito lang muna magtatapos yung Hong Kong adventure namin for 17 hours. Don't forget to use our Klook code, that is Lane23Klook, so you can get 5% discounts to all your bookings. Alright, so that's it for now. We'll see you on our next one. Bye, enjoy.
I'm peeing!